I'm back, Mindejan. Something got wrong with the crew and stuff. So today we're gonna be finding a replacement for this guy. A replacement. Yeah. If you already heard the news, somebody texts out your kid account and your username so we can contact you and see if you're higher in the group. It's like 10 and up, so or 9 or up. But if you want to be in the group, you have to be 10 or 9. That's telling me. And we're not gonna promote you on Kit because we have to test you to see if you're right for the group. Cause we can't have no guy like San again. We can't, cause San invited people and being on their team and cursing us out. So we're finding a replacement for him. So let me show y'all why we're replacing San. Okay, here. You've been cursing us out. Look, Kim, this is who we're replacing right now. Look, see, anime, shut up, yo nuts head ass up. You look like a guy off these nuts video. This is why we're replacing it. And if you like it, unsubscribe him and subscribe me. Look in the description below. And today I'm going to post up a DBZ video and a Naruto video for today. See y'all guys later.